Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 18th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound yen, we definitely did break out to the upside yesterday. A little bit of a tricky pattern because I was hoping this breakdown was actually a bigger move to the downside, but in hindsight, you can see that that was actually just like an expanding ABC correction, but that's definitely hindsight. Now we are sitting at the 138, which could be an area of resistance. It could possibly turn down there. But what I need to really emphasize here is that the weekly time frame has been up this whole time. There has not been one, since this bottom right here, there has not been one candle that would make you think that it's not still going up. And whatever you see on the very, very high time frames definitely is going to be king over these shorter time frames. But if you do get like a double top at one of these fib levels, a breaker starts it down, then you could start looking for swords. But just keep in mind that those very, very high time frames are definitely in an uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, it looks like a 1, 2, 3. So even this sets in a trend that started right here is likely not over yet. Maybe it makes a wave four, maybe it makes a wave five and then breaks down. If it does do that, then you could definitely start looking for shorts, but it hasn't not done that. So I definitely would still be recommending longs in an uptrend, especially because of those very high time frames being in a very strong uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.